Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Thinking about investing, but worried you need thousands to begin? Good news. Many excellent brokerage firms now make it incredibly easy to start small. They understand that not everyone has a huge sum saved up and believe everyone deserves the chance to grow their wealth. We're talking about brokers that allow you to open an account with very little, sometimes even just $10 or $25. It's a fantastic way to dip your toes into the market and begin building your financial future, one small step at a time. When choosing a broker with a low minimum deposit, a few things really matter. First, confirm their actual minimums. Some might vary depending on the account type. Next, think about the platform's ease of use. Is it clear and simple to navigate, especially for new investors? Finally, pay close attention to fees. Even small commissions can add up. Look for commission-free trades or no maintenance charges, keeping more of your money invested. If you're new to investing, platforms like Fidelity Go or Charles Schwab Intelligent Portfolios are great. They specialize in automated investing, perfect if you prefer a hands-off approach. You can often begin with as little as $50 or even no minimum for some accounts. These services build diversified portfolios for you, making it simple to start growing your wealth. It's a really easy and effective way to begin your investing journey, especially when starting with just a small amount. For those who prefer active trading or want to be more hands-on, look at brokers like Robinhood and Webull. They usually have zero minimum deposit requirements and offer commission-free trading for stocks and ETFs. This makes it incredibly easy to jump into the market, even with a small budget. These platforms often provide advanced tools and access to various assets, like crypto. They truly empower you to trade frequently without high fees impacting your investment. You truly don't need a fortune to start investing these days. Brokers with low or no minimum deposits have made financial markets accessible to everyone. Remember to research carefully, considering fees, ease of use, and investment options. Whether you prefer automated growth or hands-on trading, there's a great broker out there for you. Take that first step, even if it's small, and begin building your wealth today. Your financial future truly starts with these accessible options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.